everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. I can't believe it's Christmas already, and of course I had to show you guys a lovely little icy blue Christmas set ready for the season. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a nice bluey, snowy, glittery look. So make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, I've prepped her nails, I've used primer and dehydrator on them, and as always I'm going to be using natural beige for her base colour. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on all of her nails. So just taking the medium sized bead and we're just going to put that right where the tip meets the natural nail. Just going to apply that in gently. And just help it swipe down.
You don't have nails this time, Julia?
I took them off because I was getting really bored of them, and then I just didn't plan my life right, and now I just don't have nails on. So this is the au naturel Julia for this time. Yeah, just for this time, never again. Now just going to go in with her cuticle bead. Just going to put that right below her skin and then gently push it upwards so that we're not flooding the cuticle. Otherwise that will cause lifting. Go get in the sides. Now that this one's done, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that on the rest of her nails. Okay, now going in with the 185, I'm just going to go ahead and sharpen up that shape. Now that I've reshaped them, I'm just going to go ahead with a sanding band and I'm just going to make sure there's no bumps in her nails and just smooth them out.
What is the name of the artist who painted the Mona Lisa?
You know, I was about to say Anne Frank.
That is really concerning.
Who is
Is
it?
that your final answer?
Well, I obviously know.
Do not kill me.
Who is it?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh.
No.
No, that name.
Oh, you didn't know
that-
that.
It was between Anne Frank and Da Vinci.
Yeah.
What is the capital of Brazil?
You don't even know that.
Yeah, I do.
No, because I was going to say Portugal.
Is it not? It's Rio.
Oh, yeah, Rio de Janeiro.
No, you
See,
don't.
no, I didn't
Oh wait,
know.
hold on. It's not even Rio. What?
Is it Portugal?
Brasilia. Brasilia.
Well, exactly, you didn't even know that.
That's where the Olympics and stuff was, though, wasn't it?
Oh, was it? Oh yeah,
Rio,
yeah.
That's why I would have thought it was.
Yeah, and it has that massive statue there as well. That's lying then.
Next.
What temperature does water boil at?
100.
I'm not even sure that one.
100.
Yeah, well done.
Okay.
Yeah, that seemed too obvious. Yeah. Ask her a new one every segment. That'd be good.
Yeah.
Put it in the video.
Everyone's gonna be like, she's so dumb. How they even got her on the channel?
Okay, I'm still going to ask you some, but I'll leave some out. Who is the author of Julius Caesar and Romeo and Juliet?
Oh, come on.
Julia, yeah, is probably one of the smartest people I know. But something...
No, give me like maths and I'll
That's
literally know.
Shakespeare, Julia. That is Romeo and Juliet.
Oh my god. No, because you know what I thought Shakespeare was for a second? No, Shakespeare does like Oliver Twist and that. You know what I thought for a No. Wait, because you said that so confident.
That's Charles Dickens.
Oh
The Christmas
my god, no. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to be your friend right now.
Now I'm just going to go with a ceramic cuticle bit and we're just going to go around her cuticles to make sure the acrylic is all nice and flush so that they stay on forever and ever and just so that they just look better as well. We don't want any sharp lines because she might catch them, like, just never know, never know. Now we're just going to dust that off for her. Now just going in with a white sanding band, I'm just going to go over all of her nails so that we have a nice smooth base for when we're painting. I'm just going to do that on all of her nails. Now as always, I'm just going in with some gel residue remover and a lint-free wipe just to get rid of any dust, because if you didn't know, when you put chrome over dust it shows up very easily. Just having some problems with the pump. 1 second. Oh, it's not pumping.
Let's go for it, yeah. Keep going. Sarah struggled with it last week too.
Just give up. Yeah, I gave up. Just doing it the old school way. Just gonna give them all a good wipe. Now, nice and smooth. Now to go in with the wintry / Christmassy theme, we're gonna go in with this lovely blue, which is called what, Sky?
Ice cold.
Ice cold. It's very lovely, light blue. Very bright actually. I do like this blue. I think I need to add it to my collection. I don't think I have this one. But we're just gonna go ahead and paint all of her nails with this colour. So we're just gonna start off with a thin layer and just do one coat on each nail. So I've just put 2 coats of that blue on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just give that a wipe with the gel residue remover. Now I'm just going to add a bit of pizzazz onto these plain blue nails. I'm going to be using our Topaz Chrome Pigment and I'm going to go over all of the nails. So it comes with this brush. I'm just going to use the spongy side. Just going to do a little dip in there. Maybe a bit of a bigger dip. and then we're just gonna sponge it over. I'm gonna try dust off any little particles that might be catching onto them.
Oh, they look so nice in there.
Now to seal in that chrome, I'm just gonna go ahead with some top coat, and we're gonna be putting this on all of her nails. Now for our design, I'm going to actually be using our Christmas foils. So these have different coloured snowflake, I think snowflake and glitter type pattern on them. So we're going to go ahead and use the white one. So I'm just going to cut a little bit of that off. So I'm just going to cut a strip just about that big. And I'm not going to do it on every finger. Maybe we'll do it on the pinky and the middle finger. I've just decided that now, actually. So we're just going to put a layer of foil glue on top of our top coat. And she's just going to put that back in secure. So I'm going to take my foil and we're just going to pop that on top. Don't really know where to. I'm going to put, there's a snowflake on there. Bit of this snowflake on there. And the edge of this one. We can always move the foil around and just add some more random little bits of the foil. Just going to use a little squeegee tool to just press that down. I'm really scared if this doesn't work. Wow. Take that off, got a little snowflake design on there. Just going to do the same on the middle finger. Take that off. Wow. Yay. So I've just put a bit of Snow White onto my little tray here. And I'm going to be taking our size 2 brush. And we're just going to do a little design on which finger, Sky? You pick.
The index finger.
This one?
No.
Oh.
What's this finger? Oh, the ring finger.
Yes. Ring finger.
And the thumb.
Yes. So, because we're going to be doing a icicle type look, we're not going to do it too neat. I'm just going to go around the the edge of her cuticle. Just do an outline. Bring that round. Just going to drag this bottom one down a bit. Do nothing. I'm just going to do random lines, point them a bit at the bottom. So she's not actually going to cure this. I'm just going to put some loose glitter over the icicle so we have a bit of a 3D effect. So I'm just going to pour some, oh, not the whole bottle. Just going to try and pour some over the design I've just done. Turn it a bit that way. Turn it flat. And I'm just going to tap off the excess if I can. And now she's going to put this into cure. Now that that's been cured, I'm just going to go ahead and dust off all the excess. So as you can see, all the glitter stuck to the design we've just done. Now we have this glittery little, what's it called again? Icicle. Now we're just going to top coat the foil designs. And we're just going to pop that into cure. Now that we've finished our look, we're just going to go ahead with some cuticle oil as always. Going to be using Tropical Punch. I'm just going to put that around her cuticles for her. Get that moisture back in and have them smelling very, very nice. Do her thumb as well. And this is the final look. So guys, that was the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. If you are celebrating Christmas when the time comes, I hope you have the best time ever, and I will see you soon. Bye.